BJP is Karbi Anglong District Committee pen Arni ki ek Catalan. Delhi Development Authority pen New Delhi along Karbi Bhavan Akimi ki Kim ji aphan longli ke pe. Indigenous People Justice Forum of Assam pen Meghalaya hoi along Kathale Asai Dengnangji Pu Council aphan Kapachini. Kardom ada berita long pen liberta than pang thale harmony ben an berita tan pen arjik tha. Indira Gandhi Prime Minister ki akhun Faruk Resir Kebra Troxy Kebra pho aning kan pen Faruk Resir Kebra Troxy aning kan an emergency ki bi kham khesi BJP is Karbi Anglong District Committee pen ta Karbi Anglong along Arni ki ik mate black day padu pusi card news along berita nang pale. Indira Gandhi Prime Minister ki ahut Faruk Resir Kebra Troxy Kebra pho aning kan pen Faruk Resir Kebra Troxy aning kan an that angkang pi emergency hoxi padu Prime Minister Indira Gandhi kaping khat ateng India President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed pen det pi along emergency mate tongsikot kachari ajakong methang along Japan India along emergency kipi kechok che la pen rachari ajakong kipi pen KBR po akoy PC Karbi Anglong along ta BJP is Karbi Anglong District Committee pen husik inko da pho Arni ki ik mate black day padu Arni ki ik amay along BJP is Karbi Anglong District Committee amay phu Roton Teron Dunmai phu Bharat Kumar Timung Konchenbang Ajit Kumar De Madhuram Lekthe Mohila Morcha Amai Phi Rosmi Teron Pi Yuwa Morcha Amai Phi Rostam Teron Lapen BJP Abang Phuatum Chitong Dun New Delhi along Karbi Bhavan Akimi ki Kim ji aphan Wusing ko ra pho Arni Delhi Development Authority pen Delhi along Kedo Karbi Bhavan liaison Saipu aphan Longle Pekpontang lo posi card news along Birta nang pale New Delhi along Karbi Bhavan Akimi ki Kim ji aphan Wusik inko ra pho Arni Delhi Development Authority pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council anudeng aruma along Kedo New Delhi Karbi Bhavan liaison Saipu aphan Longle Pekpontang lo laso longle Delhi Development Authority pen MOS anudel asaipu Elvin Teron Arideng si Pajir Ladak Kachini Jia Panchethan UPDS Lapen Sorkar Angbong MOS Alam Donateng Delhi Development Authority pen Delhi along Karbi Bhavan Akimi Kikim Jia Pan Longle Pek si MOS isi Alam Don Papleng Pon Indigenous People Justice Forum of Assam pen West Karbi Anglong Lapen Meghalaya ahoy along Prapjin pen Kathale asai mate eviction padusi Munsam Awarmon padu nangji pusi pachetak alopen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council apan pachini Karbi Anglong Lapen Nogong ahoy Langkaijan along eviction padu ason thot Meghalaya ahoy along ta Prapjin pen eviction padu nangji pusi Indigenous People Justice Forum of Assam atum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tiliram Ronghang apan pachetak alopen pachini Meghalaya ahoy along eviction padu adam puluti songa hin pen CM apan kurang tu pajir jiputa pachetak alu along songa mai phu ningje pachetak alu along West Karbi Anglong along ta council session padu thek asonte messenger puta songa mai phu pachetak alu along lamthi paklang nun malam sopor han bertamo tan ponik sinna
Come live, come and test drive Nissan New Sero India. Visit a nearest dealer at Dhanbi Motors, authorized dealer of Nissan, 80 Road, Kutikala, opposite number 2 petrol pump, Hypergaon, Nagaon, 7820002, Assam. With attractive offers of the month, Micro Active, XVS 50,000, Redigo 15,000, Datsun Go 10,000, Go Plus 10,000, Sunny 50,000. Tarano XLDO special offers up to 2 lakh. Along with special offers of Ford Doctor. Check on the given screen. For more details, contact sales consultant Bisnu Tiso 9365 454415 9954 793905.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Ronkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
Atorkimi outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola upthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamu piputat bertalong wang thulu. West Karbi Anglong dongkamukamalong trokep anarkep angdeng Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council amangke thek arni katalong akhut Karbia kheke Assamese aropu kaning jeke Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma kamatha damchot alam pusi KCS akonchon bangbarim Sonjoy Kiling pachetak alolong ningje Karbi ke Mongolian lapen Indo-Tibetan alam se kaning je Karbia ke ahomake wangwe aprang pentado ahomake asamalong ke wangke Pharo krihinira inkorana kep aningkan alang itum Pharo krihinira krepo aningkan malomke Myanmar Barman alam sidolan Karbia ke akang tim binong jutang jubat pendeng kumpon lapen bisar kida klardak sido laso klardak ke doa jok si Pharo krisil kep lapen Pharo krisil kepra thong kepra pho government ek ateng Karbia phang kachari aron plak versi cari pacheprek Sixidul ateng Karbi lapen dimasa akhia phan Autonomous Council ta panong pondu Article 244A le langdam jisita Ingawa socha jituke Karbi lapen dimasa halo Ingawa sil akhi ke Asama pamalong kitu akhia son kali kita KCS abarim akonchun bang sonjoy kini pacetak United Student Union of Karbi Anglong asongjatum Parko Pahara long damsi RS Gandhi arlong ke poradim humri dam pusika news along birta nangpale United Student Union of Karbi Anglong TDP Asongja tu vusing ko rapho arni parko par along pali damsi RS Gandhi arlong akol kibiadim langcari dam Joparni Karbi Anglong pen angtan arlong keroi kacibin me ajok Karbi Anglong awangong apantak kiri me ang to tanglo Karbi Anglong pen ingna makiada kepon rapjin pen khanglangji arni bang anglong pen anglong arlong kepangrai asai pada dipin pen khangdun langji pusi usuka asongotum pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram rong hangapan towar cholang Manja Sport Association hin pen patirpi ponsi Manja Homeguard Ground Patua Club along 2019 naninkan abaha second edition Manja Club League Men Football Tournament angdung kiti ke patu pon berta pherangke Stefan Teron pen berta nangpale kidam tang wusik ni phai hini arni pen pangcheng ponsi wusik ni phai engko rapho arni kangsam por phai ke thomra chiti ma por pen sirwol mu aterang pen tak chapa aterang atum angbongsi second edition Manja Club League 2019 aninkan abaha angdung kiti patu pon lo tak chapa aterang aphan Goal hini pen parempon kapatu isse kelang dunatum lake middle referee Raju Tiso side referee Bijoy Ronghang Pominla Singshon Lapen Guset Singta tumpensi langcari dunlo Lapen labangso kapatu pon along agi aman pen Dhonsuri VDC chairman Dilip Singh Be Dingkreng Rongpi Manja Usi Jitu Deka Amluki Sport Association Amaipu Bapuram Rongpi Dipu Manja KCS Jun Akonchun Bang Munisor Killing Manja Sport Association Founder Robin Hasnu Manja Bazar Committee Achun Bang Don Singh Teron Lapen Penan ke thige dinga tum chetong dunsi angdung kiti ke pathua long RT pidun angdung kiti ke pathu ke ha atum aphan adui aman pen ka chetong dun VDC chairman Dilip Singh Be pensi tangka Suri Silkep Lapen trophy pajir ponlo kere matum aphan Manja Usi Jitu Deka hin pensi tangka Sika Suri Troxy Lapen trophy pajir pon Lapen top scorer Wilson Timung Best goalkeeper Rup Singh Timung Lapen best player Lake Luponlar Atumsi Chepalong Ponlo Ada berita bang lepas ikan ton penilo demi thangme kurwang tu